Hi, and welcome back to the Westlog Library's online tutorial of Ancestry Library Edition. Today's tutorial will be about message boards and how to use them. Before we start, you must log into the Westlog Library website using your library card and PIN, then click on e-resources at the top of the page, scroll down, and select Ancestry Library Edition. Once the home page is loaded, look for message boards in the navigation bar. There are over 25 million posts on more than 198,000 boards available to search through. There are 3 different categories to this section, and we will take a peek at each one. The first section is a general search. You can type in either a name, location, event, but there is an advanced search option, and if you click that, it will open up to try to narrow down your board searches. The really neat thing about this section is if you know the name of the author, you can type that in, the subject of the message. It does have a great drop down for classifications, so it'll break it up into categories for you. You can also use Sandex when you're typing in a last name. It'll give you suggestions for names that are similar sounding. You can break it down into the last time they were posted, whether they were brand new, old, and then you just click search. The second search section is used to find a board about a specific topic with an alphabetical surname option. Let's try one. I'll pick the letter H. Once that loads, you'll notice that an option directly below comes up, which will include the next letter in the name you are searching for. Let's try this one. This will give you a listing of any of the alphabetical names starting with HA. Once you find the name you're looking for, just click on it. It will open up all threads available for that last name. The third section is broken up into 2 different categories. The first is by locality, with an option to expand on more locations worldwide. And the second is by topics. This can also be broken down into subcategories and boards. For this example, let's try localities. I'm going to click on Western Europe. Then I'm going to scroll down and pick out the country that I know my ancestor is from. Now I'll pick the region. Now I'm going to click on Campobasso because I know my ancestor is from that location. You'll notice I still have the search option available at the top, but it's changed slightly. Now I'll type in the surname I'm looking for. I'm going to change the search option from all boards to Campobasso Family History and press search. This will now populate a list of all the message boards that include my ancestor's last name for that location. If you would like to take a look at a specific message board, just click on the blue link. That's all for today. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to add them in the video comment section below, or give us a call at 780-349-3060. Next time, we'll take a look at new collections. Until then, keep practicing.